Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2020 Skoda Karoq Edition. This car comes with the 1.5 petrol turbo engine and the DSG automatic gearbox, which is ULEZ compliant, producing 148 brake horsepower and while still returning up to 42 miles to the gallon. The insurance group is 16 and this is a one owner vehicle, having covered just over 49,000 miles and comes with full service history from Skoda. This particular colour is the Metallic Quartz Grey and looks in really good condition for age and mileage. As we go inside, the Edition comes really well equipped. So first of all, you've got the electric heated leather seats. These are really comfortable and supportive. And there's an armrest in the centre for front passengers too. Onto the dashboard. On the Edition, you have the larger multimedia screen there in the centre for your Apple Carplay, satellite navigation, DAB radio and Bluetooth. And then a few other features like I mentioned. The car also has climate control, as well as the multifunction steering wheel. You also have the virtual cockpit, which I think looks really smart. And then the driver's door card, you have your electric folding mirror and 4 window controls. And finally, you have the large glass opening roof as well, so that lets in plenty of light. The Karoq's a great car for the family, so easy access into the back. Lots of legroom and headroom, so if you're getting children in and out of car seats, for example. The rear bench has 3 individual seat belts, and rear passengers have their own air vents, as well as the fold-away picnic table, so ideal for long journeys. As we open the tailgate, which is electric on this model, you have the really good sized boot there, with the split folding rear seats, and the parcel shelf that raises with the tailgate. And then underneath the boot floor, this car also has a space saver wheel as well. Externally, the car comes with LED daytime running lights, front and rear parking sensors, the 19-inch alloy wheels, and also a colour reversing camera. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we offer finance from just 10.9%. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, please give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.